Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make an image grayscale or black and white using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Pure PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor, and I will convert this image to grayscale. Now click on this home option and here you will find this edit option. Click here. Now click on this image and select, and here you will find this format option. Click here, and this left side top corner click on this color option and down arrow and this grayscale option. Click here and see this is converted to black and white, that means grayscale. Also I'll convert this one grayscale. Select and format and do it similar way and see this. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.